I'm Ana Selena.
I'm Diana. And we are going to present the country of Brazil. Brazil is the largest country in South America and in Latin America region. It's also the world's fifth largest country by geographical and by population with over than 193 million of people. It's the largest Lusophone country in the world and is the only one in the America. It's located in the north of Uruguay and Paraguay, at the west of Peru and Bolivia, and at the south of Venezuela and Colombia. And the capital of Brazil is Brasilia.
Okay, the history. The history of Brazil starts with the indigenous people who arrived thousands of years ago by crossing the Bering Land Bridge into Brazil and then moving south. Okay, the land now called Brazil was claimed by Portugal in April 1500. Okay, on the arrival of Portuguese fleet commanded by Pedro Álvares Cabral.
The culture in Brazil resembles a lot to the culture of Portugal. This is due to the fact that the Brazilian people were conquered by Portugal. One of the most important and popular aspects of Brazilian culture are the carnivals. The president of Brazil is Dilma Rousseff. She took the charge on January 1st, 2011. The traditional vestiments. The most famous costume of Brazil revealed every day during the Rio Carnival. Samba outfits are skimpy, brightly colored, and adorned with feathers, beads, and some jewels.
I'm going to talk about the money. One cruzeiro is 6.40 pesos. The colors of the flag are yellow, green, blue, and white. The typical music they like is samba. The gastronomy. The gastronomy is feijoada, churrasco, and I'm going to present you some food that we have here of Brazilian gastronomy. Here we have a Brazilian salad that is made with strawberries, carrot, raisins, and yogurt cream. Here we have chicken with yogurt cream, with corn, peas, and some carrots. Here is a coconut milk pie that is made of some fruits that are peaches, apples, coconut milk, pineapple, and other milk. Thank you for your attention.